Hey guys, I hope you're having a good week so far. I just wanted to hop on here and explain today's assignment because it is a new grammar concept, and we do have to get to it. I'm sorry I have to teach it virtually, but hopefully this video will help you understand what we're doing today. So for today, all you're doing is changing the verbs we've been working with into adjectives, which are called, the title of your assignment, past participles. So in Spanish, all you have to do is change the ending of a verb to make it a past participle. So I put an example right here. The verb torcer, which means to sprain. If I take that verb, I can change the ending and make it an adjective. So I have an example sentence here. We say, or we have been practicing saying, me torcí el tobillo, which is I sprained my ankle. But you can also say, tengo el tobillo torcido, my ankle is sprained. So it's the same meaning, same concept, but you're just switching around how you say it. So I provided a chart here with the endings we're going to use. For an AR verb, you have to add an ado ending. For ER or IR verbs, it has to be an ido ending. And so all I want you to do today is take these first 5 verbs that I put here. I've told you what they mean. I want you to type right next to the word and change that verb. Change that verb into an adjective. So you take the verb torcer, which means to sprain. I'm going to type it out. Up until the C, I have to change that ER to now the ido ending, torcido. Alright? The next one, cortar means to cut. I have to take off that AR, change it to cortado, right? Keep it nice and simple. Okay, so if you have questions about that part, feel free to ask me. But the first 2 have been done for you, so that should be pretty simple. Then we're going to go down here to the next part. You are using those same 5 verbs from up top, and now you're using it to complete the sentences down below. You're going to do the work, change them into adjectives by changing their endings, and then you're going to figure out where each adjective would fit. So again, the first one's done for you. Me caí y ahora tengo el tobillo torcido. It says, I fell and now my ankle is sprained. Nice and simple. Now, the translation part may be the challenge for some of you, but take your time. All of these we have done before. None of this is new vocabulary. So for number 2, ella corrió para 3 horas y ahora tiene las rodillas. So she ran for 3 hours and now her knees are blank. So you need to fill it in with one of these now adjectives and put in the one that fits the best, okay? So maybe take some time, look through these sentences, make sure you translate them over. Then it makes it easier for you guys to pick which verb or / adjective would be appropriate. If you have any questions, you can always put a comment on the side. You guys know I see it. Doesn't matter what time. All right, have a good day, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.